McDonald's. Nagano kasi siya, nag-attend siya ng IYC. So,
wait lang ha.
hindi siya nakasama sa amin.
Hi ate! Happy birthday sa'yo! 18 ka na and we are all happy kasi sa ganyang edad napakahirap. Alam ko maraming pagsubok pero you're still there and talagang nakafocus ka sa goal na gusto mo at sana makapagtapos ka ng iyong pag-aaral at maging mabuting tao sa lahat, sa kapwa at sana pagdating ng panahon lahat ng iyong pangarap ay matupad at sana nandun pa rin kami ng papa at syempre ng mga kapatid mo. Keep it up, girl. I love you. Momo chup chup. Samahan nawa ng Panginoon. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Andy! Happy birthday, Andy! Happy birthday, happy birthday! Happy birthday, Andy! Happy birthday, Andy! God bless you! Sana itong kaarawan mong ito ay maging masaya ka at matupad ang mga pangarap mo at maging maligaya kayong lahat dyan. God bless you! See you soon! I'm coming home!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. How old are you? 18. Yay!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Angie.
See you soon.
See you soon. And give long live and
More birthday to come.
more birthday to come and God bless us all. Amen.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Andy.
Happy birthday at Andy.
We miss you and see you soon.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday,
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Andy. Say happy birthday. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday! May all your dreams come true.
Happy birthday, Sis Andy. Samahan at ingatan nawa palagi at magpapakabait. Yan, salamat sa Diyos. Go.
Happy birthday, Sis Andy! Pakain!
Hi Andy, happy birthday! You're already 18 years old. Naway samahan ka palagi na ating may kapal. Enjoy your day and God bless you. Love you.
Hi Sis Andrea, happy birthday. I wish you all the best in life and many more years filled with happiness. I hope you stay kind, generous, loving, caring, and pretty as always. May God bless you all through the years and many more birthdays to come. Ingatan mo palagi. Bye. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Ate Andy! Ingatan at samahan ka nawa palagi ng Diyos at magpakatibay tayo sa tungkulin na ating ginagampanan. Happy 18th birthday, Ate! Bye-bye!
Hi Andrea, happy 18th birthday. Samahan natin ingatan nawa palagi. Huwag kakalimutan ang ating tungkulin. At thank you kasi you're always there for me kapag kailangan kita, and you know na andito lang din ako kapag kailangan ko. And but, you know, sana maging masaya ka sa araw na to. Hindi lang naman sa araw na to, syempre palagi dapat, diba? And you know the rest. I love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Andy! Wish ko sa'yo palagi kang healthy, mag-aral ka mabuti, love ka ni tita, love ka naming lahat. See you soon!
Happy birthday, Andy!
Congrats, you're turning 18.
Yay!
Hello.
Best of luck in your birthday. I wish you could go there.
Hi Andrea, happy birthday to you. You're 18 now and you are a grown woman na. And I hope someday you finally found the right person for you. Kasi for 2 years of our friendship, marami na akong na-meet and marami na tayo na-encounter na dudes na hindi for us, hindi para sa atin. So, I really hope this time makapili ka na ng tamang guy for you and I hope boto si tita sa kanya. Kasi we both know tita. So, ayun lang. Always take care and God bless. Bye-bye!
Hi, Andy. Reset ang code ko dito para sa video to. Happy 18th birthday, Andy. God, 18 ka na. Pwede na makulong. First of all, thank you for being my friend. My best friend, my best buddy, and my best kachikahan for almost 2 years. Kahit na hindi tayo gaano nag-uusap ngayon. Kasi busy tayo sa ACADS and family din. But we're still the same pa din kasi kapag nakikita tayo sa hallway, we are hugging each other. Na parang gusto kong bumalik sa grade 10. Gusto ko kasi kakakulit. Wish for you still being Andy na nakilala ko noong grade 10. And good health for you. I'm always proud of all your achievement, lalo na sa ACADS, na na-maintain mo pa din yung pagiging top-notcher mo. I'm so proud of you, Andy. Huwag mong kakalimutan na mag-take a break kapag napapagod. And I know naman na you do your all the best para ma-achieve lahat yan. Remember, Andy, na I'm always on your back. Na if kailangan mo ko, just chat me lang. And if you need a help, I'm here for you. Again, happy 18th birthday, Andy. Enjoy your day, and I love you, and I miss you. Mwah!
Single chip kayo. Siyempre, huwag ka na magtaka. Ginugil ko lang yun. Eto. Here's a little message. Kasi, wala lang. Gusto ko lang. Para humaba yung video. I wish for you sa birthday mo. I wish for you to stay healthy, kind, wise, and pretty. And one more thing is, I know you're already 18 years old and nasa legal age ka na. But, huwag mong kalimutan makinig kay tita kasi makakatulong sila sa'yo, especially 18 ka na, nasa legal age ka na nga, diba? Yun, basta magigets mo din ako. Again, happy birthday.
Hi Ate Andy! Happy 18th birthday! Ingatan nawa lagi ng Panginoon. Kumusta ka na? Hope to see you soon!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Ate Andy! Happy Ate See you soon!
See you soon!
Love you!
Happy birthday, Andrea! Ingatan at samahan ka nawa palagi ng Panginoon. At alam mo, wala na akong masabi kundi mahal ka namin. Mwah, chup-chup palagi. And love you. We love you, Andrea. We love you all, Honrado family.
Yung baso mo na. Anak, yung baso mo. Sa? Baso mo na.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you, birthday to you. Thank you, boss. Di mawala tawa niya.
Parang ano, di ba, 80?